Question 1. Find the lead time for the t-shirt printing process. The lead time is 5 days, since the case study information states that one operator is in charge of a batch of production t-shirts working 5 days a week from 8 a.m. until 5 a.m. Second question is determine the cycle time for the t-shirt printing process. As we know, the formula for cycle time is net production time divided by number units produced. First, we need to calculate total time by adding value added and non-value added by process. Then, total time for 5 days is 1770.75 minutes. And to calculate the cycle time, we need to divide net production time, which is 1770.75 minutes, divided by number units produced, which is 250 units. And the answer is 7.083 minutes. Next is question 3. Explain the process that is constraining the capacity or the bottleneck for t-shirt printing process using the units per hour analysis. To do UPH analysis, first we need to convert minute to hours. The UPH for process A is 21 units per hour, while for process B, the UPH is 2 units per hour. Process C, the UPH is 4 units per hour. Process D is 0 units per hour. Then for process E, the UPH is 10 units per hour. And lastly is process F. The UPH is 17 units per hour. The bottleneck of the t-shirt printing process is process D, since the process have highest processing time to be done and produce lowest capacity, which is 0 units per hour.
Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is decide the take time for the t-shirt production process and the types of waste occurring in the t-shirt manufacturing process flow. So to get the take time, we need to divide between available working minutes per day with daily quantity required. As we know, for this production, 450 minutes is working minutes per day divided with 50, which is daily quantity required. So we got 9 minutes per unit. Next is type of waste. Type of waste from the t-shirt manufacturing is waiting, people skills and defect. Waiting is when the production fixed that the order will be ready in 5 days, not less than 5 days. The customer needs to wait for 5 days or more to collect their order. People skills can be seen when the workers spend more time to store the base paint on the shelf. Other than that, drying process is when the worker hang the t-shirt with a hanger to dry. The worker take 2.5 minutes for that process. For the defects is a must thing when involving a machining product. The defects can be seen at the printing process. The next question is question number 5. Question number 5, relate between the lead time, cycle time and take time using a graph. Explain the concept of lead time, cycle time, take time using this t-shirt manufacturing process. So, relate between lead time, cycle time and take time for t-shirt manufacturing is lead time is when the order received until the t-shirt delivered to the customers, while take time is the rate which the manufacturer must complete the t-shirt printing to meet the customer demand. For cycle time is adjustment to the t-shirt printing production time in order to meet customer demand. The last question is question number 6. Question number 6 is analyze the performance of the t-shirt production using your answer in question 5 to show the capability of APC company to meet the customer weekly delivery. So, as we can see, the performance of the t-shirt production is a well production because the cycle time is lower than the take time. The cycle time is 7 minutes while the take time is 9 minutes. As the conclusion, what we can learn from this assignment are we understand more about lean manufacturing. Next, we can differentiate between value added and non-value added. And lastly, we can relate between lead time, cycle time and take time. Thank you, madam, for listening.